I love chasing new adventures, and I feel like I get this real connection to the landscape, the people, the environment.
It's kind of an addiction. Every time you get on the edge of getting outside your comfort zone, it gives you that little hit of natural ecstasy and it keeps you coming back for more.
Every time I walk out of the door, I see all these different possibilities and opportunities, and I want to capture that so I can share that experience with other people.
The ProArt GoPro Edition is fantastic for creators on the go. Having the 13-inch screen makes it so portable.
One of the most amazing things about the GoPro is how versatile and how tough this camera is. And you can really see how they took that part of the GoPro DNA and then put it into this laptop because it is so versatile.
The black metal finish on the top with just those sleek metal lines, and the keyboard backlight is this classic GoPro blue.
As a solo creator, I love having this out on location to make sure I have exactly what I want.
You just take the micro SD card out and go straight into the laptop. We got the little GoPro hotkey, which brings up the GoPro player.
I can jump straight into my GoPro 360 footage. I can flip it into a tablet if I want to journal or write directly on the screen. I can then slip it straight into my backpack and have it ready when I'm on the move.
It really didn't hold back at throwing crazy specs at this thing. It's got an AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 with 128 gigabytes of unified memory. I can work with 360 content with no lag, no delays, and just get as creative as possible.
There's nothing stopping you from creating something better, more grand, more incredible.
I can tell everything's been designed with a purpose for GoPro creators.
And it's ready to handle anything you throw at it.